Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the camera settings in PhotoDirector. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to change the camera settings. At the top left, you will see a button like this. That is Settings. It's right next to PhotoDirector. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it, the settings page. Well, here's General Settings, Personal and Help Center. Lots and lots of things that we can look around. But right now, let's only focus on General Settings. As you can see, there are two options here, namely Image Quality and Camera Settings. Right now, we want to change the camera settings, so I'm simply gonna hit on the second option here. Then as you can see, there are these things like you can change the quality, shutter speed, save the GPS location and everything. This is it guys. This is the camera settings. You can simply toggle on and off these buttons, change the quality and the shutter sound. That is it guys. This is how we change the camera settings in PhotoDirector. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.